In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Canva. If you've ever recorded a great clip only to notice a hum, fan noise, or room hiss, Canva has a simple built-in tool that cleans it up in just a few clicks. Follow along and we'll make your audio clearer and more professional without leaving your design. First, add your video to your design and click on it to select it. You can do this directly on the canvas or down on the timeline, whichever you're using. Make sure the clip is actually selected. You should see it highlighted. This part is important because Canva's audio controls only appear when the clip is active. If you click away, you won't see the right options. With the clip selected, look for the toolbar that appears. Click on Audio Tools, or, if you see a small speaker icon, click the volume icon. Either option brings you to the same place, the audio controls for that specific clip. If you don't see these controls, reselect the video and try again. Once you're in, you're ready to remove the noise. Find the Enhance Voice switch and turn it on. Canva's AI will process your audio to reduce background sounds while bringing speech forward. You may see a quick processing indicator. Just give it a moment. When it's done, press play to preview. You should hear less hiss and hum, and your voice should sound clearer and more present. If you want to compare, toggle Enhance Voice off and on to hear the difference. This A/B check is a quick way to decide if the enhancement is helping your specific recording. For more control, look for a slider that lets you adjust the enhancement strength. If it's available, start somewhere in the middle and fine-tune from there. Subtle adjustments often sound more natural than maxing it out. If you notice your audio is still a bit distracting, or if the enhancement makes your track a little intense, you can also lower the overall volume using the volume control in the same panel. Bring it down slightly and listen again. The goal is a clean, balanced voice that sits comfortably in your design. Before you move on, play a few sections of your video to make sure the improvement is consistent from start to finish. Headphones can help you catch small issues. And remember, you can always revisit these settings later if you tweak your edit. That's it, thanks for watching.